Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a comparison review between these two CRM tools platform, which is Salesforce and ClickUp. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Salesforce is a powerful house CRM packed with advanced features like AI tools, integration, perfect for large team needing full-scale sales, marketing, and service management. The downside is it's expensive, and it can be complex to set up. So talking about ClickUp, on the other hand, it offers CRM features with a broader productivity platform, making it ideal for small to mid-sized business who want simple pipeline and task management. Its CRM is less robust, so it may not suit larger, complex operations. So talking about the pros and cons, which is the advantages part and the disadvantages part of this platform. So the Salesforce offer a powerful features, AI tools with huge integration options. And talking about the downside, the costly part of it, which is the type plan, and it is very complex to set up. So talking about the ClickUp, it's simple, all-in-one, affordable, and the downside is that the limited CRM depth and the less advanced analytics. And in my opinion, I think you to choose Salesforce for enterprise level CRMs with power, and you can go with ClickUp for simple budget friendly option. So you decide on which one to use, and let me know in the comment section what you think about the two CRM.